Hello, my dear learners. Welcome back to your favorite English learning channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so you never miss another powerful English lesson. Today, we're talking about something that can change your life. Daily speaking English is not only important, it's essential. In this video, I'm going to guide you through why daily English speaking is a game changer. Whether you're a student, job seeker, traveler, or just passionate about learning, speaking English daily will boost your fluency, confidence, and career. So grab a notebook and pen, and let's dive in. Why daily speaking works like magic. Let me ask you something. If you wanted to get fit, would you go to the gym once a month? Of course not. You'd go regularly, maybe even every day. The same goes for English. Your brain and mouth are like muscles. If you don't use them, they get rusty. But if you practice daily, even for just 10 minutes, you'll see massive improvement. Daily English speaking helps you improve your pronunciation, think in English, gain confidence, understand native speakers better, speak without translating in your head. And here's the best part, you don't need anyone else to practice. You can do it alone. Example, every morning, stand in front of the mirror and talk about your day in English. Today, I will go to school. After that, I will meet my friend. Then I will study math. Simple. Yes. Powerful. Absolutely. How to build the habit of daily speaking. Building a habit takes time. But once you start, it becomes part of your life. Here's a simple plan. 1. Set a time, choose a time every day for speaking English. Morning or evening, your choice. 2. Set a timer, speak for 5 to 15 minutes. That's all you need. 3. Choose a topic, talk about your day, your goals, your dreams, or use our daily topic list. 4. Record yourself, use your phone. Listen and learn from your own speech. 5. Track your progress, keep a small journal. Write how many days you spoke English. After 30 days, you'll be shocked by how fluent you've become. Topics you can speak about daily. Need ideas? I've got you. What I did today. My favorite movie or book. What I want to become in the future. A place I want to visit. Why learning English is important. My daily routine. My role model. Every day, pick one topic and speak. No excuses. Easy sentences to start with. Here are some simple sentences to get you started. My name is. I live in. Today, I feel. I like to. I want to learn. My favorite food is. I usually wake up at. Repeat these. Make your own. Use them in your own story. Practice with me, daily speaking challenge. Let's do it together. Repeat after me. I can speak English. I am learning every day. I will speak English daily. I am getting better. I am confident. Say these 5 sentences every morning. You'll feel the change. Now, let's have a quick conversation. I'll ask you questions. You answer aloud and comment. What's your nickname? Where do you live? What do you like to do? Well done. You're speaking already. Tools and resources to help you. Use these tools to help. Voice Recorder app. Google Translate. YouTube videos. English news and podcasts. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You need to be consistent. Speak English every day. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment. I will speak English daily. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and keep speaking. Because daily English speaking is not only important, it's essential.